Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video I'm gonna walk you through how to see Instagram stories anonymously. Want to watch Instagram stories anonymously without the person knowing. So to do so, you need to watch this video till the very end. Let's get started. So the first method is use airplane mode. That's a very quick trick. To do so, open the Instagram app and let the stories load, but do not open it. And now turn on your airplane mode, and when you turn on your airplane mode, all the Wi-Fi's or data will be turned off automatically, and now you can just see the story. Now you can view the story. After viewing that, close the app completely, swipe it away before turning airplane mode off. This may not be 100% reliable, like use with cautions. Now you can turn off your airplane mode and turn on everything you want to, and there is option to like use anonymous story viewer websites, like try the free tools or try third-party tools like StorySaverNet, InstaNavigation.com and many more. So there is one more option, which is use a secondary account, or like you can use your fake account or spam account, like create a new Instagram account. Don't use real info but make it look like human. Follow or view stories from that account. Just keep it respectful and don't use it to stalk or harass anyone. That's a warning to everyone. So you can also use like a Chrome extension desktop only, like you can use Chrome plugins like IG stories for Instagram, Story Saver. These let you watch and download stories on Instagram web. Some have stealth mode. So what not to do is do not trust apps that ask for your Instagram login, because they are usually scammers. Like avoid shady like hack tools. They are either fake or instill info. So let me know a type of account you are trying to view, like public or private, and I will recommend the best options from our comment section in our next upcoming video. So that's it. That's how you can do it. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.